Backup as a service and under business continuity is one of my favorite service offerings here at UBX Cloud. So our backup as a service offering is a combination of off-the-shelf Veeam enterprise software, experts and consultants trained on its usage and knowing how to configure and set it up in any environment to best practices, and then leveraging our service provider cloud resources for an offsite target for that data. So anyone who comes to us with a data protection scenario, we can provide the tools, the software, the solution, and the experts to accommodate them. The second part of our business continuity offering is disaster recovery as a service. Now, disaster recovery as a service is very different than backups. DR as a service is also leveraging Veeam enterprise software, and we are taking a copy of your existing environment and we are sending that copy to one of our data centers in our private cloud for safekeeping. And the intention of that data is not to restore into its original location, but to actually run at that disaster recovery site in the event of a disaster. So if you have a bunch of servers in your office building and your office building burns down, gets flooded, all kinds of bad things can happen, and you find yourselves without a company or your data, with disaster recovery as a service, you can simply activate the disaster recovery site and all your servers will be spun up in our environment, and you'll be back to running your business within a few hours versus a few weeks if it was just a copy of your backups. So we keep your data, and then alongside that data, we keep it in a ready state to be powered on and to be activated in the event of a disaster. Both those products are consumed per terabyte. So the larger your footprint, the more expensive your bill. The smaller the footprint, the cheaper your bill is. And it's a very fair and an easy to understand consumption model. We don't like math problems here at UBX, so we try to make the calculation for your backup and DR as a service as simple as possible, and very much like a cell phone plan. So companies, end users, managed service providers, they can come to us and they can say, I have my office, I have my servers in my office, and I have this much of a data footprint that I want to protect. And we can accommodate them with both these types of services. And like I said, it's one of my favorites. It's probably one of the longest products that we've had in our 14 years of existence. And it's, we've done some pretty amazing things with it. And we hope that we can help you do that as well. Thanks.